Let's take a look around and explore this place. Do you see anything unusual? Note the cobblestone house and the boulders. What do we see in the scene? Anyone been here before? Let's collect some data here. Hopefully we can pick up the trail of our Wichita Mountains sediment and find clues about where to look next for our missing estimite. The first stop on our investigation is here at the Cobblestone house, located just south of the Wichita Mountains. The Wichitas are an ancient mountain range made of igneous rocks like granite, gabbro, and rhyolite.
This house was constructed using an unusual material. They're round, equally sized, pinkish rocks that are all glued together. This unique architecture dates back to the 1930s. You can see it all over the refuge and also in many of the houses in nearby Medicine Park.
Let's analyze these rocks to learn more about where they came from. The wall is made out of rounded pieces of pink granite that are similar in composition to the nearby Wichita Mountains. We can see large crystals of pink feldspar, white quartz, and black mica. The cobbles are stacked up to make a wall. They're artificially glued together by mortar, finer sediment, and the mineral calcite. In sedimentary rocks, the mixture that holds grains and clast together is called a cement. Most of the cobbles are about the size of a grapefruit and very round. The granites at Mount Scott are also weathering into very round boulders and cobbles. Could the process that rounded the rocks at Mount Scott have also rounded the cobbles used in this house? In Mission 2, we discuss spheroidal weathering, the process where granites chemically weather and erode by layers like an onion. The granites are eroded from the outer layers in, leaving these curved surfaces behind. This nearby outcrop also contains the cobblestones, but we see other large clasts, as well as finer grains in between them. How could clasts of these different rock types have ended up together in this rock? Looking more closely, we see that this rock has a cement that is holding all the larger grains and clasts in place like a glue, just like the mortar at the cobblestone house. Some of the cobbles are eroding out of the rock as the cement is weathered away and can no longer hold the cobbles in place. Could this be a source of the house's cobblestones?
The cobbles in this rock were once igneous. They weathered out of an igneous rock, were transported, and got deposited as this sedimentary rock. You can see that today they're once again being weathered out of the sedimentary rock and becoming clasts.